So what's going to be on your table Christmas morning? I'd like to tell you a little bit about what's going to be on our table today on Reinventing You. How's it going? I'm Amelia. This is Reinventing You, the channel where I want to inspire you to reinvent your life. We are almost at the end of Vlogmas, that is the 24 days leading up to Christmas Day, where I have posted a video every day. I want to know if you've liked these videos, please give me a thumbs up. Even if you haven't watched them all, if you'd like the concept or the idea or some of the different videos that I've done, I would like a thumbs up just so that I know if I want to do this again. I think I've told you before, I've been videoing a lot of these in batches, and so they're kind of out of order. And I got my hair cut and I wasn't really thinking about it, and I videoed yesterday's video, and then I looked at it and I thought, ooh, my hair looks like really interesting, and so it doesn't look so great on film. So I kind of played with it a little bit, but at that point I'd already done the video. I wasn't going to go back and redo it. So but you'll notice that later on, like I think Christmas Eve, it's the old quote old haircut. So if you wonder, did her hair grow out really that fast? No, it didn't. These are filmed in batches. I have a particular menu I like to have Christmas morning. It was something that I had growing up as a child, and I've continued the tradition. One of the things that I have to have on Christmas morning is an egg casserole. Some of you may have done a kind of casserole like this, but put sausage in it, but I cannot eat sausage. I love the taste. It is not like me at all. I've tried ham, I've tried bacon. It's just never the same as my egg and cheese casserole. This is the one that my grandmother made and my mother made. They both had two different recipes, and I combined those two together. And so I'm leaving a copy of the recipe below if you're interested. The second thing we always have because there's no sausage in the casserole, we always have kielbasa. Now, why I can eat kielbasa and can't eat regular sausage, I don't know. Of course, I don't make that. I just buy it. And then with that, we have two other things. One of them is a curry fruit recipe, which is a hot fruit. It's not like it's temperature hot, not spicy hot. It does have curry in it. It also has butter and brown sugar. I usually have backed up on the brown sugar. In fact, I noticed when I was reading the recipe this morning, it calls for 1/3 of a cup. And guess what? I have all those 1/4 of a cups in the freezer, so I'll probably just use 1/4 of a cup in it. I also have the recipe below. The other thing that I always have Christmas morning is my grandmother's refrigerator rolls, and she called them grandmother's Icebox rolls. So I'm assuming it was either her mother or her grandmother who came up with this recipe. I don't know. I am not leaving the recipe down below. Sorry, it's sort of a family secret. And that's our breakfast Christmas morning. It does take a little time to cook, but it is so worth it. What do you cook on Christmas morning? I would love to hear about that. You can leave a comment below. And don't forget, give me a thumbs up if you've really appreciated these videos during Vlogmas. Have a great one.